Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready and on the same network. That matters because AirPlay discovers devices via local Wi-Fi. On the SkyQ box, open Settings and enable AirPlay under Apps so it will accept connections. On the iPhone, confirm iOS is updated, then unlock it and open Control Center. Don't waste time resetting routers unless Discovery fails. Once both are updated and AirPlay is enabled, you're ready to initiate a connection from the phone to SkyQ. Now perform the actual connection. Swipe into Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. The phone searches for AirPlay receivers on the LAN. When you see your SkyQ box listed, tap it. This instructs the iPhone to stream the display and audio. If the TV shows a 4-digit AirPlay code, type that into your iPhone to pair. This prevents unauthorized access. Once paired, your iPhone screen appears on TV, and you can open apps or videos to cast them in real time. Finish by confirming audio and video are synced. If playback lags, pause and resume to force buffer alignment. When you're done, stop mirroring from Control Center to release the SkyQ device. If connection fails, power cycle the SkyQ, then the iPhone, then the router. This clears temporary network conflicts. Also make sure the router isn't isolating clients and that SkyQ's AirPlay permissions allow incoming connections. Adjust settings if necessary to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.